Hi, my name is Bill, and today I'm going to show you how to use some spray paint to get rid of some unsightly marks on your washer. For this repair, we're going to use a dust mask, and we're going to use our Almond spray paint. If you don't have the spray paint, you can find one on our online store. Warning: before doing any repairs, please disconnect your power source. So this is our washer here. It's a KitchenAid, and this is what we're going to use for our repairs. Keep in mind yours might be a little bit different at home, but the same techniques should still apply. So as you can see, our washer's a bit dirty. It's got a bunch of scrapes and everything on it, and it's just a plain white color. And I'm going to change that. So the first thing we're going to do, we're going to wipe down the front surface that we're going to be painting over so that there's no little specks of dust or anything on it. And we've got a nice smooth surface to paint on. Alright, so now that we've cleaned off the surface of our washer, we can start to lay down some paper around the edges, because when we spray paint, we just don't want to get anything on our beautiful floor here. So this is almond color. It's not the white color, but this is my own personal washer, and it's a plain white color. I'm sure a lot of you have just plain white appliances out there, and this is an option if you want something a little bit different than what everyone else has. I've got a nice little dust mask here, which I'm going to put on just to help with the fumes and everything like that. If you're not in a well ventilated area, this is something that'll help so you don't get lightheaded when you're spray painting. I mean, it's very stylish. Alright, so after we make sure that our can is shooken up pretty well, we can start painting. And what we can do is just nice short bursts all the way across, back and forth. We don't want to coat it so that we've got paint dripping down. We want a nice even coat, so it's just going to be quick little bursts, just like that. And every once in a while, just shake it up a little bit again, just so you've got a nice even mix inside the can. Alright, so as you can see here, we've done just one side of it, but just to show you that we didn't go out and get a new appliance, the top is still white. I'm not going to paint the entire thing right now, but we've got still a lot of paint in our can, and if we wanted to, we could paint this entire appliance. So after letting this dry, if that's the shade that you want, you can leave it as is, or if you want it a little bit darker in that same color, you can go with another coat and just spray paint the entire thing again. Or if you see that you missed a spot, again, just go over that spot, and that's all you got to do. So that's how you can spray paint your appliance a new color. Finally, don't forget to plug in your appliance. If you need to replace any parts for your appliances, you can find an OEM replacement part on our website, PCApplianceRepair.com. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and share our video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us make more videos just like these for you to watch for free.